So now let's see how we can reformat text by using Microsoft Copilot. So over here you can see that I have this particular a text right here. So let me just go around and copy out this portion right here. And over here what I'm going to go around and say for the text for the text that I am going to send in the next message, highlight and bold the important words right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and give this particular prompt right here, and it says certainly please go ahead and share the text you'd like me to highlight in bold, so I'll take care of it for you. So let me just go around and paste out this text right here, and once I do that you can see that it highlights out the important text right here, just like this right here. So that is what you have. You can ask it to reformat the text right here. So what you can also do is you can reformat it out. So I'm going to go around and say reformat the text with a title in a certain color, and also format the main body text with a background color, just like this. Write HTML code for the formatting right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that it formats out the text right here using HTML, as you can see right here. So you can see that this is what you have. It has body and something right here. It also added in a style and color right here, just like this. So over here you can see that it formatted out the text, and I'm just going to go around and say in the HTML code add in bold words tags as well. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that it rewrites the codes right here, just like this. So you can see that it goes around and then this goes around and then styles out everything right here, just like this. So once this is done, I'm going to go around and copy this out and then bring it onto a software like Notepad right here and paste this out right here. And then I'm going to go to file and save as, and then on my desktop I'm just going to go around and save it out as text format.html right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, I can go around and pull this out and double click right here, and you can see that this is the format right here, just like this. So you can see that it highlighted out the important words and formatted it out. So now you can go around and copy this and then bring it into a software like Word right here, just like this. And you can see that this is what you have right here. So it indicated where the texts are bolded, as you can see right here, just like this as well. So right now it is using asterisks right here, just like this, but you can go around over here and change it up further. But this is how you can utilize Microsoft Copilot to reformat text as you like, as you can see, just like this, for existing content. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.